Wait, I did not hear. I mean, I did not see y'all.
Hi, guys.
Who signed like that?
Hmm?
Who signed like that? Oh my god, look! It's so cute. Good luck. Well, Sarah, are you a freaking snake? I don't think so. If you want to be that, take it outside.
Okay, who didn't make it?
I was like,
Who
I don't
didn't
know.
make
I was like
IT?
fifth. Blair.
I was third.
The Blair Witch
Where?
Project? Is your name pronounced Jan or Gan? Oh, gotta hush. Yeah, vote Blair. Isn't she like AFK anyway? Okay. Brianna. Wait, where's it Brianna? Can I jump? Oh, I can't jump. Okay. It's a Brianna? Okay. Hi. If I hand you a marshmallow, you're safe. Girl, everyone here looks like they eat a bunch of marshmallows. Sarah? Ava? Leanna? Wait, why do all these names end with an A? I just noticed that. Is that besides Stacy? Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't know. Oh my god. Well, no, clearly I can read. I'm sorry. I'm a bit tired today. I'm running on inner strengths, and it's not a good day to me. And I got rejected. Me, of all people. Me. Oh, bye, Blair. Don't drown. Really, that's surprising. I only came on here because I wanted to like start beef. Ugh. We know. That's all you eat, bro. You're good at this. How the hell do you eat? I mean heck. Oh, Ava. I'm surprised it took her the longest. Oh. Oh my god. Where? Oh my god, girl, why are you back? Nobody wanted you here. Also, if your eye is like really blue, you might want to get that checked out. I'm gonna vote for Blair because why should I get her? Because someone turn off their mic and stop playing music that I did not want to hear in the first place.
Not me.
Thank you, Caitlin. Portland. Thank you.
Wait, I was fifth. So. Yeah,
No.
Bye, bitches.
Girl, no, we didn't vote you. Why did y'all vote Jen? She was the only normal one out of all five. Yeah, I was talking to you. Blair, why are you back? Nobody likes you. Nobody wants you here. Okay. Yeah, Loki, just like turn it off, bro. Like it's not that serious. Does everyone in here have VC? Because like I feel like why am I the only one talking?
Cause you got a big mouth. And you got a big butt. You got a fucking big tummy.
Okay, well Loki's gonna get the VC again over nothing. Oh my god. Genuinely like take. Goodbye, Ava. It's been a great day. I was
How is it a great day, baby? Because you ate some food. You ate 10 times the McDonald's a normal person would eat, yeah? Is that what it's about, yeah? Or are you just fat?
Oh yeah, I'm glad we sent this away. Super problematic. Oh, you see how our team feels like so much lighter? Like what? Oh my nose. Sued? Girl. Okay. Brianna. Where's Brianna? Oh, the wet mop girl. Okay, that makes sense. My bad. Oh, that's AJ. I didn't even realize we had a freaking AJ. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. My vote, I feel like it's very like real because I feel like she doesn't help the team very much and she's mostly causing problems. I feel like oh yeah. Go to Jeff. I don't want Jeff to get out. Oh my god. Oh my god. I voted for Brianna myself. I'm so sorry, Jeff. You have my condolences. Happy 1 month anniversary. I wish you the best. I wish you the best, Jeff. Bye, Jeff. No, I voted for stupid Brianna. Because her, like, I just don't like her hair. Bye, Jeff. Have fun. I did not. Well, clearly you try and threaten everything you see to eat because, like, what? Okay, I'm fourth. Am I the last one? Girl, shut your mouth. Stacy, I'm sorry, hon, but you're gonna have to go because you were last. We got a marshmallow. We know. I think I can see it right above my face. I mean, right above my head. Genuinely, bro. Ava, you probably looked at like that in real life too. You know, like I don't know, just giving. That's what I'm saying. You look just like Ava. Rude. Okay, well, girl, your ponytail is making you bald in the corner. I feel like we should vote Ava out. She's low key like being like just like Ava. Do you know that it's a fictional character? I do know that it's a fictional character, but I'm guessing that the game just based it off of what you look like.
Yeah,
Because I mean,
and
what?
the game based it off your stomach as well, because your stomach's that big.
Look at your arms.
Yeah, because I go to the gym and I don't eat the whole menu of McDonald's, yeah, honey. I eat arms are this big because I work out, not because I eat everything out of my fridge, out of my fucking whole house, out of the fucking McDonald's. You know McDonald's in your area closed down because of you. And Rihanna, go away with that ratchet little ponytail there, girl. Do you know what I...
Ah!